In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a HubSpot certification to LinkedIn. Today, the goal is simple. You will take a certification you completed in HubSpot Academy and share it on your LinkedIn profile so others can see it. First, navigate to your profile at the top. On LinkedIn, this usually means you will look at the top of the page and choose your profile, often labeled with your name or a profile icon. Take a moment here to make sure you are viewing your own profile, not a page for a business or someone else. This step matters because the certification must be posted to your own profile, where it will be visible to your network. Next, click HubSpot Academy. On LinkedIn, you may see the option for learning and certifications, and HubSpot Academy is typically connected to the HubSpot learning platform. Clicking HubSpot Academy is how you enter the specific area where the completed learning items are displayed. If you do not see it right away, simply scan the options related to your certifications or learning history, and then choose HubSpot Academy when you find it. After that, go to My Learning Completed. This section is where HubSpot keeps track of what you finished. By selecting My Learning Completed, you are focusing specifically on completed courses, not in-progress training. This is important because you only want to share a certification that you have fully completed, so LinkedIn can display it accurately. Now click View Certificate on your chosen course, or the course video direct. When you reach the course you want, you should see an option that lets you view the certificate. If you have a direct course video link instead of the certificate view, choose the option that leads you to the certificate or the sharing page for that completion. At this stage, your main focus is to open the correct certification tied to the exact course you finished. Once you have the certificate open, click Share Your Achievement on LinkedIn. This action starts the sharing process with LinkedIn already set up to receive the certification details. Because you are sharing from the certificate itself, the information is typically pre-filled, which helps prevent mistakes like the wrong course title or completion date. Look for the button that explicitly says Share Your Achievement, then click it to continue. After clicking Share Your Achievement, you will see a LinkedIn pop-up window. In that pop-up, click Save. The pop-up usually lets you confirm the details and ensure everything is ready to post. Take a quick moment to check that the correct certification course is selected and that the action is going to save it to your profile. Then click Save to finalize the upload. When you save, LinkedIn processes the certification and places it on your profile so it can appear in your certification section. Give it a moment to update. If your profile does not refresh instantly, wait briefly and then return to your profile to confirm that the certification is visible. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.